In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cover in Notion. If you want to make your Notion page look more polished, organized, or visually appealing, adding a cover is a simple way to do it. A cover sits at the top of the page and helps give your workspace a more personal or professional feel. The good news is that Notion makes this very easy, and you have several different ways to choose the image you want. To get started, go to the Notion page where you want to add or change the cover. Move your mouse over the existing cover area at the top of the page. As you hover there, you'll see a button appear in the top right corner that says Change Cover. Click that button to open the cover menu. Once the menu opens, you'll see a few tabs to choose from, depending on where you want your cover image to come from. In the Gallery tab, you can pick from a selection of built-in backgrounds, including solid colors, gradients, and curated aesthetic patterns. This is a great option if you want something quick, clean, and already formatted nicely for Notion. If you want to use your own image instead, go to the Upload tab and click Upload File. From there, select an image from your computer. This works well if you already have a brand image, a custom design, or a photo you want to use as your page header. Another option is the Link tab. Here, you can paste a direct image URL from the web. This is useful if your image is already hosted online and you want to pull it into Notion without downloading it first. Just make sure the link goes directly to the image itself, so it displays correctly. You can also use the Unsplash tab to search through a huge library of free, high-quality stock photos. Simply type in a keyword, browse the results, and select the image that fits your page best. This is especially helpful if you want something professional looking but don't have your own image ready. After choosing a cover, you may want to adjust how it appears. To do that, hover over the cover image again and click Reposition. Then drag the image until it's aligned the way you want. And click Save Position when you are done. This is helpful if the most important part of the image is being cropped or hidden. If you ever decide you no longer want a cover, hover over the cover area, click Change Cover again, and then select Remove from the bottom menu. That's all it takes to add, adjust, or remove a cover in Notion. And it can make your pages look much more intentional and visually engaging.